Hello there. I've got July's Illumicrate box. Let's open it up. So this month's theme is Magical Menagerie. I'll have a look at that in a minute after we've seen what's in the box. Ooh, ooh. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Now, I've already had a desk mat from Illumicrate and I love it. It's the purple one. And this, oh, this is delicious. It's the only way I can say that. This is gorgeous. Look at the colours on this thing. It's absolutely lovely. And look at the details of the phoenix. And the eagles or a hawk. Oh, this is just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I love these so much. I never knew I needed a desk mat until I got the purple one, and now I love it so much. So yeah, I'm glad that I've got another one so I can change it up. To me, this is like a summer one, and then the purple one is like a autumn one. So yeah. It'd be nice to get some more as well so I can have like a spring one and a winter one. That'd be great. But yeah, I love these so much. So yeah, I'm already happy with the box. It doesn't matter what else is in here. I'm loving this. There we go. And what is this? Can't be a phone cover. Too small. And there's a mirror and a pouch, so maybe like a makeup thing. Can you take the mirror out? Yes, you can. Okay. I like the colour though. It's like a nice soft yellow, because obviously you've got banana yellow for the Illumicrate, but this is very nice and soft. And is that a panther on the front? But yeah, that's nice. I'm not sure I'll use it, but it is nice. It's a nice item. Ooh, we have a book. So is this going to be a dot grid notebook? But look at that design on there, that foiling. We've got moths, or are they butterflies, and then dragons. That's very nice. I love patterns like this on front of a notebook. And then you've got the band as well. But I hate the band. It messes up the design a little bit. But yeah. So, oh, it's a plain one. Oh, no, this journal belongs to... Oh. Hello. Oh. Oh, it's filled. It's a pre-made reading journal for me. Oh, okay. I'm like just in the midst of making a new reading journal for myself as well. So maybe I don't have to now. Reading challenge, studying training. Oh, this one jumps out to me because I've just discovered Ava Reid and Lady Macbeth. I've just got that one. So yeah, I'm excited to start that one. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful illustration. Monthly TBR, reading log, monthly book hauls, monthly reviews, monthly wrap up, 5-star reads. Oh, this just goes on and on and on. So have we got like 12 months in here? Let me see, like from when it starts. Okay, so I've got the overall bookshelves. Book of the month. So reading goals, challenge, and the right. So it starts with monthly TBR. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, so you've got 12 months. Oh, and then at the back we've got some added bits as well. Monthly wrap, book series tracker, yearly wrap up, and then book tournament, then book of the year, and then reflections. This is really well done. I love the background of the paper. It's not just plain paper. It's like supposed to represent parchment paper. You know, older wilder paper, which is nice. My only, I love the green as well. My only gripe with this would be the thickness of the lines. You know, it makes it look a bit clumsy. Like, and I wouldn't use black. I would have made it like maybe like a sepia. Like if you look at these delicate lines here for the acorns and things, that's much nicer and more elegant. This is me coming from a very graphic design background, and you know, this is kind of what I do a little bit as well, professionally. So, you know, when I see big chunky thick black lines, to me it screams like child's notebook sort of thing. It's you know, but other than that, this is really well thought out. I mean, I would never fill this up because I don't read. I physically cannot read that much in a month. You know, I'm lucky if I get one book a month down. So yeah, but this, honestly, this is fantastic. I really, 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 really love this. So yeah, I'm gonna try and use it, but obviously it's not gonna be a monthly thing. Oh, and there's a bookmark as well, a book ribbon. Yeah, nice green colour. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this. This is lovely. This is an amazing box. 2 items I absolutely love. Absolutely love. Oh, and then we've got another item. What are these? The Hidden Ones of Ausland Magic Bookmark Set. Magic bookmark set. Bloody magnetic. Ugh. But what are these creatures? They kind of remind me of, I forgot what the book's called. The Encyclopedia of Fairies, I think it was. But yeah, these are nice. I like these. I'll use those for sure. So yeah, another item I like. And then we've got the book. So the Phoenix Keeper, makes sense of all the phoenixes that we've got. S.A. McLean, Falling in Love Never Burns So Bright. Oh, and we've got nice phoenixes all the way around. Nice illustrative. Oh, one bird's walked off with a key. Oh. This, oh, and a different end paper as well. Oh, and then signed as well. Oh, and we've got illustrations for, I love it when we get illustrations. Even if it's just like end of chapter or beginning of chapter things, it just, you know, it makes me happy. But yeah, it's not something I would pick up myself to read. I mean, a fantasy romance, I've not yet delved into that world. So yeah, this, I think I'm going to try it though, just to see, you know, what the fuss is about. And see how we go. But yeah, it looks very interesting indeed. So where are the items from? Okay, so the Mythical Creature Reading Journal is by Hope Christopherson. Interior artwork is by Hope Christopherson, and then designed Fen Inkwright, so it's collaboration. Multi-fandom reading journals. And then the desk mat is inspired by the Phoenix Keeper, that makes sense, yeah. And then the hidden ones, magnetic bookmarks. Art, yeah, art is from the Encyclopedia of Fairies. I got that, yay. And then, oh, it's a lipstick holder. Inspired by Beasts of Prey. Yeah. It's ideal for keeping your favourite lipstick wherever you go. I mean, when you're wearing a lipstick, you usually just have the one, so you just take the one with you to top it up. You don't need a set of them, but I don't know. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this box. I mean, I've not had an Illumicrate box for a while, and when I've looked on other people's videos of what was in them, I've not been too impressed. But this, I'm glad I delved back in with this box because I'm very, very happy. So yeah, loving this box. And then August theme is Look What You Made Me Do. So yeah. Let me know your thoughts on this box, on particularly the book. Let me know if you've read it or if you've read something similar. I'd be interested to know everyone's thoughts and opinion on it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.